Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you, my dear subscribers and all my viewers? I hope you all are well and fine. Join me on Mother Fashion as we delve into the fascinating life for Georgina Rodriguez, the stunning partner of soccer superstar Cristiano Ronaldo. In this video, we will explore Georgina's inspiring biography, her impeccable fashion sense, and how she balanced love, motherhood, and her own passion. From her humble beginnings to becoming a fashion icon, Georgina's story is one of determination and style. We will take a closer look at her most stunning outfits, her favorite designer, and how she rocks the latest trends. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired by this incredible woman. Don't forget to watch till the end for some exciting surprise and special requests from me to you. So subscribe to Mother Fashion for more fashion content, celebrity style and inspiration stories only on Mother Fashion YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on my videos. And let's get started on this fabulous journey together. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, the stunning partner of soccer superstar Cristiano Ronaldo. In this video we will explore Georgina's extravagant fashion choices, her luxurious lifestyle, and how she includes in their finer things in life. From designer shopping sprees to exotic getaways, Georgina knows how to live life to the fullest. We will take a closer look at her high-end fashion favorite Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and more. Lavish vacation with Cristiano Ronaldo's private jets, yachts, and five-star resorts. Luxurious homes and cars, you won't believe the price tags. Exclusive access to fashion shows and events. So get ready to be blessed by Georgina's incredible taste and style. Don't forget to watch till the end for some jaw-dropping moments and a special surprise. So subscribe to Mother Fashion for more luxurious style, fashion content, and celebrity style only on Mother Fashion YouTube channel. And hit that notification bell to stay up to date on new videos. And let's dive into the luxurious world of Georgina Rodriguez together. Georgina's style evolution from humble beginnings to fashion icon. Her favorite designer handbags and shoes inside her luxurious closets, a fashion lover's dream. How she balanced motherhood with her glamorous lifestyle. Georgina's fitness secrets, staying fit with Cristiano. Her go-to beauty products and skincare routine. A peek into her lavish birthday celebration. How she supports Cristiano's social career. Georgina's philanthropic efforts, giving back to the community. Her favorite travel destination with Cristiano Ronaldo. Inside their luxurious home, a tour of their mansion. Georgina's favorite luxury cars, a collection to envy. How she handles the pressure of being in the public eye. Her advice for young mothers and a fashion enthusiast. Georgina's favorite fashion trend, staying on the top of style. She makes time for self-care and relaxation. I look back at her stunning red carpet appearance. Georgina's fashion collaboration designer, her own line. Her favorite luxurious watches and jewelry pieces is remarkable. She celebrates special occasion with Cristiano. Georgina's luxurious baby shower, a celebration to remember. Her favorite pretending tips and motherhood moments. Inside her luxurious nursery, a peek at her baby's room. I hope you guys like this video, so please tell me in comment box what want you to see next.